I'm tired. I was gonna say something, but I'm so tired, I forgot what I was gonna say.
Whew. Guys, this hike is, it's a bit grueling. Good morning, guys. We are still here in beautiful Costa Rica. Today, Faustino and I are actually going to head to a waterfall that we kind of had our eye on since we've gotten here, and we're going to check it out. Right now, what we're doing is we are preparing our things so that we can head out. Look how beautiful those clouds are behind the house. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning, and the waterfall opened for 7, so we want to get there kind of early. So it's going to take about 20 minutes to drive there. Once we actually get to the waterfall, it's about an hour and 30-minute hike, and then we'll see what we're going there for. Why don't you comment below and let us know what is your favorite waterfall here in Costa Rica. Alrighty guys, well, I'll pick the camera up in a little bit. I might need these. So guys, we just pulled into the admissions area where we are going to buy our tickets. We're told that we're going to have to keep our tickets with us at all times. I think it is, how much is it, Faustino? Is it $9?
It's $21 or 12 million colombians.
Okay, so in order to get down to the waterfall and parking, it came up to $21. They recommend that you have closed-toe shoes. There's no dogs that you can bring here, and the waterfall actually closes for 4:30. So I think that's it, you guys. So meet our new friends.
Sam, hello.
Sam and
Vishali.
and V, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
V. Yes. Where are you guys from?
We from India originally, but been in US for last 20 years now.
Oh, is this your first time in Costa Rica?
Yes,
Yes,
it is
it
actually.
is.
How are you liking it so far?
So far it is we are enjoying, and it's reminding our home country, India.
Yeah.
Somewhat similar, not exactly.
Yeah, but somewhat similar.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. That's cool. So guys, they are going to be driving down with us to the waterfall. Faustino, are you ready for this waterfall?
Yes.
So we just made it to the parking area. It's going to take us about an hour and 30 minutes to get there, I believe. I'm not really sure, but I have on some really comfortable shoes.
Comfortable.
If you guys know us, you know that we are so super flip-flop and open-toe, but these are some really cool and comfortable walking shoes. We had just ordered them from Amazon before we left the States, and they definitely came in handy.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. They're called Hitaves.
So here's mine. I have the orange, and Faustino has the blue. It's absolutely amazing. That water kind of reminds me of the water from Rio Celeste, the first time we were in Costa Rica. Look how pretty that is. I think that's the waterfall there. Can you see it?
Oh wow, that's what we're walking to?
Oh yeah, that's what it is. Hola. Okay guys, so this is not on the trail for the hike, but I mean, how can we pass this up, right? This is beautiful. Look at that, yes.
Oh, that's nice.
It looks like it will be.
It's pretty cool. It's not deep. It's not cold, really.
It's cool.
I'm perfectly okay right here on the banks. So what you didn't see is Faustino almost just fell, and he's telling me that I should come out. But nah, I think I'm okay. I'll actually wait until we get to the actual waterfall. So guys, of course we had to take this little detour off to this beautiful little stream. How does the water feel, Faustino?
It's cool.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool.
Okay.
It's mountain fresh water.
Well, there you have it, guys. It's cool. Okay, so I think that what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back on the trail, and we'll see you guys when we make it closer. So we are about, what, maybe 30 minutes into our hike. I don't know if you see the sweat dripping off of my body, but baby, when I tell you it's so humid. Now what we should have done was look at the timer, look at the clock before we started, only because I'm curious to know how long it's taking us to actually do this hike, because we're stopping along the way, taking pictures and adjusting cameras. The hike so far hasn't really been bad. It's a little muddy right now where we're walking, but the views are beautiful, and every once in a while you'll see about 5 or 6 horses, because you can also take this trail by horseback. So that's pretty cool. I was just telling Faustino, I think that that would have been a really good idea for us to do. So guys, it seems like we've been walking for about 2 hours on a hike that was only supposed to be 1 hour and 30 minutes. But we've probably only really been walking for about 40 minutes. Oh, I'm tired.
All right, guys. Looks like we're 1.25 miles away. It's a long walk.
So we have 1.5 miles to go to our next rest stop. We just passed a sign that said we had 1.5 miles to go. The last half a mile has been a bit grueling. Faustino and I have not hiked since the Great Wall of China.
It's been a while. That was a while ago. Actually, that was last November.
That was last
It
November.
might be a year today.
That's so crazy, right? Okay, well, we're going down now. But I don't like going downhill, especially when we're trying to get to a waterfall, because that means that we have to go back up.
Do you go through the water or through the bridge? Which way are you going?
I'm going over the bridge, not through the bridge, not through the water, over.
All right. So guys, looks like we've made it to the entrance, and this is what happens when you get to the top. There'll be a blue sign and a gate that says private property.
We just made it to the top. So if you guys come up here,
Bring some water
definitely bring some water.
and pack light.
You see this? You're not gonna need all this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get into the waterfall now. Hopefully we don't have too far to go until we make it there. We'll see you guys later.
There's 2 waterfalls. We're gonna go to the one we can't swim and jump in for now.
We can
waterfall. Look how beautiful this is. It's absolutely beautiful. We've been to waterfalls before, but this is magical, guys. It really is.
You make me feel so unreal. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. We can live a dream. We can be so unreal. Living in high speed.
We are wrapping it up here at this waterfall. Now remember, there are two sides of the waterfall. One you come and you just take pictures, and that's here. And then there's another side of the waterfall where you can actually get in and jump and do all kinds of crazy things. So that's where we're going next.
Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her.
My legs are shaking.
Alright, guys, thank you.
That's how you
Adios. Whew. Guys, this hike is it's a bit grueling. So it's an hour and a half coming, and I think it's probably going to be about an hour and a half going back. You guys know that it's always quicker and easier once you go down. Right now we're kind of walking through the valley to get back to the parking lot, and the beautiful, I mean, there is a beautiful view. We just ran into Mr. Forest. But I think that's it.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love.
Ooh.
That's
Now,
how you know you've been in love.
That was a long day. We just made it inside, you guys. We are absolutely beat. I don't even know if we're leaving out the house for the rest of the day, but I know right now we're probably going to get us something to eat because we didn't have breakfast, we didn't have lunch, and I'm hungry. Since Faustino and I are so tired, I think that we're going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed our day out at the waterfall, because we definitely did. And make sure, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, press that like button, and share our videos, guys.
Hit the subscribe button. It'll be there or here.
Right there. It'll be anywhere, child. Just hit it. I don't know. We tired. We're about to go. Okay. Deuces.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you
So how do you feel?
I'm hurt. I'm not hurting. It hurt.
You said that down there. You was like, I'm not tired. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
It's not hot. It's hot. It's hot.
It's in between yet. It ain't yet.
Hey, don't forget, if you're interested in pet sitting or house sitting around the world, make sure you try our trusted house sitters link below.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe.